Hello everybody and welcome back to another Python demo tutorial video. And in this video we'll be demoing the Connect 4 game. So how it works is you need to move the pieces left to right, and whoever gets 4 in a row, 4 in a column, or 4 diagonally will win the game. So let me show you how it works. So player 1 is going to be red. So if I can control the piece from the left and right arrow keys. So if I drop it here, and then and then player 2 can drop the yellow piece. And let me show you a way. And I can just drop pieces, and yep, player 1 wins because player 1 got 4 pieces in a row diagonally. You can also win horizontally. Yep, that's another way of winning. Or you can do it vertically. Let's make player 2 win. Yep, so that's how you can play Connect 4. Alright, thank you for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed it.